Hi guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. Oh my gosh guys, it's been too long. It's been way too long since I've done a makeup tutorial, but I'm here. I'm back ish. How many times have I said that in a video that I'm back? But here I am. You see me, you seen the video, you seen my work, you seen my eyes. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this, just keep on watching. Hi guys, so let's get started. Don't mind my little situation. I'm trying to curl my hair. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to do my makeup. How have you guys been? I mean, happy new year. It's 2020. So I don't know if this is going to be like a get ready with me, or if it's going to be like a tutorial or a chit chat. I mean, I have so many things I have to talk about, so maybe going to be like a chit chat. So hopefully I can do my makeup and talk at the same time, and one not hindering the other. The first thing I'm going in with is the Milk Hydro Grip primer. So what did you guys do for New Year? Like, did you go out? Did you party? As you can see, you saw what I did. If you haven't seen the vlog, I will leave it linked right here. The one rule was no phone, so we couldn't use our phones during like dinner. We could use it before and after, obviously, but we couldn't use it during dinner. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Designer Liquid Foundation in the shade D1. Do you guys have any resolutions? Like, that's what I'm calling, right? I don't think I have any. I mean, 2019 was pretty good, to be honest. Like, I achieved a few goals. The biggest one was doing makeup full time and actually like having a career, like can pay my bills and stuff like that. It was good. And I went to Chicago. I know I still haven't uploaded a vlog. I know I'm slacking, but I still upload it. Like, I still edit it and upload it, so you guys have to worry about that. But yeah, I went to Chicago with Shari, my girl Shari. Hey girl. And it was amazing. When I say amazing, I mean it was everything I could have dreamed of. And I've always wanted to go to Chicago, and I mean it happened. So you know who will, like, my Gladbach, the bus. This foundation is nice. How was Christmas, guys? Christmas, what did I do Christmas? Work and dinner. Yeah, Christmas was family time. I didn't attend any parties during the Christmas. I kind of don't like partying during holidays because I don't know, all sorts of wildness tend to happen during that time. So I don't like partying during Christmas time or holidays on a whole. I need a little bit more brightness, so I'm going in with the Jeffree Star concealer in C20, and I'm just putting this right there. and I'm going to make it sit for a little while. Cream contour, I'm going in with the ColourPop foundation stick in Deep Dark 213N, and I'm just going in with a little bit. To set the highlighted areas, I'm going in with the Jeffree Star banana powder. This is the loose powder he has, and I'm just going to use my damp beauty blender to press that into my skin. So I did my brows, I finished my base, like I did my contouring and everything. The only thing left for me to apply is my blush really and my glow, but I'm going to do all of those after my eyeshadow. So for shadows, I'm not really sure. As usual, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I have an idea somewhat. So first thing, I'm going into the Zulu palette and I'm taking brown shade here, and I'm using a Morphe E23 brush, and I'm putting this in my crease. Okay, to blend that, I can either go in with the orange or a yellow. I think I'm going to go in with the orange. So I'm taking Trunks by the L'Oreal Los Angeles Party Animal palette, this orange here, and I'm just going to blend out the brown. For my crease, I'm going in with the Makeup Geek X Money MUA, and I'm taking the dark brown. I just need a dark shade in my crease to kind of deepen it, and I'm hoping this will give me what I need. Yeah. Okay, I am going to do a cut crease. I'm not going to cut my crease on camera because the struggle is real, so let's come back. So I almost went on with my eyeshadow without starting the camera. Anyways, so I cut my crease and I used the Jeffree Star concealer, and now I'm just patting it out so it's a little bit dry. I don't want it too wet. First shadow I'm taking is from the Festival palette from Juvies, and I'm taking Oro, which is the gold. I can't really show you guys because this shadow got broken during shipping. Anyway, on top of that, I'm going in with the yellow from the Zulu. Beside that, I'm using from the same Zulu palette, I'm using the orange. And then beside that, I'm going to go in with the first browns from the same Zulu. I just put it in the outer corner. So kind of went from Hello 2020 to High Road March, but I mean, I don't know what I was doing, and I found these two blue gems, and I feel like they're cute. So for blush, I'm going to use an orange blush, and I'm taking the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. I got this in my BoxyCharm, so I'm going to use this one here, and I might even use a little bit of this one. For glow, I'm using the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter, and this is in the shade Prosecco Please. For lips, should I go in with a nude? I mean, playing it safe is a nude. I'm going to line my lips with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter, which is a brown. So guys, in the comment section below, let me know which lip color you prefer. If you prefer the nude, I kind of like the nude. I mean, since I can't decide, I'm just going to put on the red lipstick. I'll be using the Ciate Liquid Velvet in Diva. This don't even look red, it look pink. I need to go in with my Amore Matte from Milani. The red has a vibe. So, which one do you prefer? The nude lip or the red lip? Let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram as yet, what are you waiting for? My handle is right here, so you can head over to my Instagram, or if you're coming from my Instagram, welcome. Happy New Year, happy 2020. I hope this year is everything you dream of, and I hope you achieve all the goals you set out to achieve. Once you work hard, there's nothing standing in your way, and don't stand in your own way. Like, that's a thing, you know, standing in your own way and like blocking your blessings. Like, don't do that. So thank you guys so much for your support during 2019, and I'm looking forward to growing and getting even better, being better in everything I do. And I just want to like give you guys a big thank you, because I know I'm not consistent on this channel, and sometimes people message me and say, Lee or Jen, most people call me Jen, welcome to the video, why you're not doing any video, you're not coming back, blah blah blah. But I'm back, and my goal for 2020 is to be consistent on this channel. Like, I need to work on my consistency. You don't think so? I think so. So remember to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't subscribed as yet. Hit the like button, share with your friends. Guys, I am taking bookings for Carnival. I mean, might as well advertise, because this is a really nice Carnival look too. Like, gems are kind of not in style anymore, like, personally, but if my clients want it, I'll give it to them. But yes, I'm taking bookings for Carnival, so shoot me a DM, hit me up on Instagram, and anytime, like, if you need your makeup done, you can book me. Weddings, special occasions, birthdays, photo shoots, video shoots, anything, I'm available. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.